Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device which nearly everybody out there which is going to operate a car have to carry with us. Because in an emergency situation, this HDJFLU HDJFLU jump starter will help us to jumpstart our or another car with 6,000 ampere. An ultra-safe jump starter power bank comes here with a 12-volt lithium jumper and a starter cable pack. This is a portable booster for petrol engines up to 8 liter and diesel engine up to 6 liter with LED torchlight and power bank function. You can charge two devices simultaneously with that big power bank. Jump starter. No prop for it, baby. A portable vehicle's pulse holds the 6,000 ampere module for an impulse that strengthens an additional 20-volt battery in just a few seconds for gasoline and diesel engines. Faster and more robust than an average rope. The earnings and real-time technology that are 50% higher than the standard in the drivers while maintaining performance at the industrial level. That's perfect for vehicles, jets, surfs, trippers, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, boats, and so on. And it operates really easy. You can see here there's a starter battery. You get now connected this jump starter onto the positive terminal on your battery with the red wire. And the black wire, the black clamp, you can operate on the negative terminal of your battery or on a ground point on your vehicle. And then you are ready because this device will now get the energy into the system and starts our engine if we use to start our car. And 10 safety portable stuff. This is fireproof. You can use it from 20 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 under a perfect job. 10 polarized emergency stuff here is in it, so we can use it on SUVs, RVs, jeeps, and motorcycles, which comes with a 12-volt operation system. The possibility of a portable, really nice design means we can use this easy peasy on our cars. We does not need another car to jumpstart a dead battery car because we have such a small device here to make that job. The charger will have a high performance design with dual power. It charges simultaneously the Type C and WC player. It's a foreign device with, for example, recharge your smartphone, or use your device like a tablet or a camera system. On the screens, on this, it shows the real time, and of course it will show the energy left and volt, automatic insulated, invalidation in seconds for the energy saving, and a lot of LED flash stands there. We have 3 modes for SOS, flashing, and of course steady on. And it makes so a big job for a lot of stuff what's going on into emergency situation with that. This all brings us the HDJFLU jump starter power pack for car 12-volt lithium jumper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback in the home to see you again on my channel. Sun Jumper, yeah.